girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So I found a cool song here from NILÜFER YANYA. I hope that is kind of what it's pronounced. And this one is called Anotherlife. So a cool song here, makes you kind of happy and pretty easy to handle. So that's great. Alright, so no need for any cape on this one. We have a couple of chords to go over. So let's start with those first. We have the G. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, next chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So 4 chords, pretty common. So let's start right away. We have kind of 2 melodies here. So yeah, let's go over these 2 melodies. The first one will sound like this. Alright, so yeah, let's start with the first. It's based on the G. And you just play the 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with 3rd fret B string. Okay. Next one is based on D chord, and that is played like this. And that is the open D together with the 2nd G. And then the next will be based on C, and it's played like this. So 3rd on A together with open G. Okay, so far G, D, and C. Right, then it continues with G again, so in the same way. Then the next chord will be E minor. Sounds like this. So open E string in the bass together with open B. And then comes the D, played in the same way as before. So that was the first melody. So the chords was G, D, C, G, E minor, and D. And that is the chord progression for this song, okay? Entire song. So again. Break there, and then. And a break. And it goes like this, round and round. So that was the first melody. The next melody will be like this. That's the first part. And the next part will be... That's the second part, all right? So, starts with the G again. This time we have this grip, 5th fret on D string, together with 7th fret on E here in the top string. Next chord here, the D of course, will be this grip. So that is 5th fret on the A string, together with 7th fret B string. And the next grip will be like this, based on the C. And that is the 8th fret here in the E string in the bass. And together with the 8th fret on the B string. I even added the open G string to just give more like a backbone to it, more sound. Play it together like that. Okay. So that was the first 3 chords, G, D, and C. So. And the final 3 chords, G, E minor, D, is played like this. G in the same way as we just learned, the G. And then comes the E minor part. Play like that. So that is the open E string in the bass, together with 7th fret B string. And the final D is played like that. So that is open D string, together with open B string. Okay, so slowly this second melody will sound like this. short break there, and then and a break after that. All right, so that are the two melodies there. Next, we have this strumming pattern to go over, and that pretty much when we have these three parts here of the song, we can pretty much handle everything here. So, how do we play this song with the strumming? You're gonna play G, D, C, one down for each chord, so like that. And immediately when you play the C here, the down, so G, D, C, you're gonna play up, down, clap, down, up, still on the C. All right? So slowly, G, D, C, up, down, clap, down, up. Okay? So G, D, C, up, down, clap, down, up. And then you're gonna do the same pattern, but with the other chords now. The G, E minor, and D. And with D, it's played in the same way as for C. You play D, and then up, down, clap, down, up. And that is the pattern. So, slowly, one round of this chord progression will be and with some tempo, it will be something like this. The last couple of rounds there, I added some ups and downs. It's not forbidden. I just gave you this pattern, some basic stuff here to handle the song, and you can play a little bit with it and go for what suits you. So that was NILÜFER YANYA's song called Another Life. You play the melodies where you hear them go, and the strumming works pretty much through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys, and thank you for watching. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.